Namaste students, welcome to Social Online class. We are in the last part of our second chapter, it's about time. The learning outcome of this class, you will be able to create a timeline to represent events. Resources required. Keep your Social Studio companion and notebook ready. Also collect a list of birthdays of your family members. The more members, the better it would be. And keep your photograph of present and also 2 years back. Agenda. After a quick recap of timelines, I will guide you through all the different writing activities in Studio and Companion. Do you remember what we have learnt about timelines in our previous class? Timelines are representation of events and dates along a line. Timelines can be drawn for days, months and years. Timelines can be two types, horizontal and vertical. This is an example for horizontal timeline. Now let us do few activities based on timelines. The Look Within activity requires you to create a timeline of your own. For this you require your photograph of present and also a photograph taken 2 years ago. And how will you look after 5 years you can draw on your own. Let us see how to do this. Stick a picture of yourself from 2 years ago and one from the present. Draw a picture to show how you think you will look 5 years from now. Fill in the blanks to describe what you were able to do 2 years ago, what you can do now, and what you would be able to do in the future. Next we have the Think and Ink activity. Read and analyze the timeline of J.K. Rowling, the famous author of the Harry Potter series. Have you seen any of those Harry Potter movies? She is the author or writer of the Harry Potter stories. Her name is J.K. Rowling. Refer to Studio pages 45 and 46. Her timeline begins with 1965, the year she was born, till 2011 when the final Harry Potter movie was released. Answer the questions about her life. So we understand that timelines help us visualize and keep track of major events that happen over a period of time in a chronological order. Next we have very interesting activity, Project Time in Companion. List the birthdays of all your family members. Family members include your father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother, whoever you know. Collect all their date of births and create a timeline in the format given by arranging the birthdays from the earliest to the latest. Now, based on your new timeline, answer the following questions. Who is the youngest in your family? Who is the oldest? Which month has the maximum birthdays? Are there any birthdays that happen during the summer vacations? If yes, how many? How would you wish your family members on their birthdays? After the project time, you can see I Care activity. This activity encourages you to care for others. Fill in the month and year. Try to follow the activities mentioned for every day of that month to show that you care about others. This calendar has days from 1 to 30. Try to follow these activities and give yourself a score. Next we have the journal time. Think about how well you did in this lesson. Color the picture that shows what you think. In the same journal time, the second task has some cute little pandas. For each statement, color the panda that shows what you think you did during this lesson. For example, I tried to complete all my work by myself. Did you do all the time, most of the time, or not very often? You would have taken the help of your parents in doing your work. That's okay. You can choose most of the time or not very often. We have come to the last part of our class, that is concept map or question time. Refer to your studio and complete the concept map and write the answers to the question time in your notebook. In our next class, we will start the third chapter, Then, Now and Tomorrow. Until then, stay home and keep learning.